Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to flush DNS cache on Windows 11. To flush DNS cache on Windows 11, follow these steps. 1. Open the Start menu and type Command Prompt or CMD in the search bar. 2. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to open it with elevated privileges. 3. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter ipconfig/flush DNS. 4. After executing the command, you should see a message that says Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. 5. You can close the command prompt window. This process clears the DNS cache, which can help resolve various network-related issues, such as inability to access certain websites, slow internet connection, DNS-related errors. It's worth noting that flushing the DNS cache is harmless and can be done as often as needed. If you're experiencing persistent network issues, you may want to try this method as part of your troubleshooting process. That's a lot for this video. Hopefully you found this useful. And if you have, I would be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to turn on the notification bell, you'll be notified when a new video has just been released on YouTube. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.